What is up, YouTube? Today, what I'm going to be doing is finally working on the Evo. I'm going to be doing some major horsepower mods to it. I'm going to gain like at least 80 horsepower with this mod I'm going to be doing today. Now I'm playing around. Okay, but I got something from right here. Check this out. Downstar. You see that? Bam, bam, bam. I'm going to put down the link to Downstar, their website, and also the link or the Instagram to the homie that hooked me up. I got everything through him. So if you want anything, hit him up or just go to the website. I appreciate it a lot. Look, check this out what I got for the Evo. The engine bay is going to look pretty. Look at that. Check that out. Woo, Downstar, you know, purple, my favorite color, anodized color, you know what I'm saying? And look, check this out right here. This is the whole dress up engine bay kit right here. It's gonna look clean. And then for the other car my brother's working on right now, you know, that hatch, he got some stuff for it too as well. It's gonna look clean with this gold and blue that he's going for. But I had to get purple because that's my favorite color. I believe they don't have a Evo X engine bay dress up kit because this is obviously Evo 8 or 9. I'm not too sure which one it is, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. I've always wanted to dress up my engine bay. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. Let's go ahead and look at the engine bay and see how it looks now, and then put all this stuff on and then see how it looks after. So I think what I'm going to be changing are all these bolts right here to have purple. Also these ones too as well. Just pretty much whatever I could see that I could change over the sizes that I need. This bee is like harassing me right now. Get away. He likes all the downstar stuff. A little scared right now, TBH. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is just show you guys what comes with it. It's pretty much just all these nice fancy bolts that look extremely sick. Can't wait to throw them on real quick. These are for the strut tower. What they just are, I don't know if you guys know, but they're just dress up bolts. So what I'm going to be doing is replacing all these bolts here. As you can see, that one, pretty much every other little bolt I could find that's a 10 or whatever size these are that fits here, just going to replace with, just so the engine bay could look a lot cleaner and nice. I'm going to start off with my favorite ones, which are going to be the strut tower ones. They're going to be these bolts right here, this one, that one, that one, and on that side the same ones. And these are going to be these ones right here. I think these are going to stand out more just because they're the main part. I don't know. But once you put all of them on, they're all going to sync together and look super nice. So let's go ahead and throw these ones on real quick. All you need is just a 14 and a ratchet. Take off this side. I already loosened up pretty much just to get the video going. So once you got them all loosened up, you just take them off. And now I'm going to put these washers on with it, and then these nice shiny bolts go on top. And I just grab one of them if I can get one out. These things are like so high quality, nice, honestly. Alright, and what you do here is you just throw them on right here. Obviously that goes like that. Looks nice and clean. Get one more. Throw it on that one back there. There's that. And then you go ahead and throw on these nice bolts here. There's that first one. Bam. Just gonna go ahead and tighten them back up, and they'll be good to go. You gotta be careful not to scratch them, but it looks super clean already. I already like the way it looks. Alright, so now I'm gonna be removing these 10mm bolts here. There's 1, 2, 3, and then there's 3 on that side too as well. So let's go ahead and remove this one first. On these ones, since they're on the fender and they hold the fender up or in place, I'm going to be doing them one at a time, just because I don't know if the fender's like adjusted or anything like that, and I don't want to have to deal with readjusting the fender or anything. And what's really cool about this kit too as well, they include the Allen keys. And look at this, is pretty sick right here. Bolt Boys, pretty sick. Yeah, it does say Evo 7, 8, and 9, but I don't think they have a 10 kit, because when I was on the website they didn't show anything about a 10. So what I'm gonna do is just try to make this fit mine, since I really want some downstar bolts, and I think it will just make the engine bay look a lot cleaner. And just saying too, if you guys have an Evo 8 or 7, 8, or 9 and are looking for a nice dress-up kit, I think this will be the one for you, because it literally comes with every single one. Look at that, radiator overflow tank, hood latch, headlights, everything, and it shows you where they go, like they're circled. If you have an Evo 7, 8, or 9 and looking for a nice dress-up kit, I think this will be the good one for you, because it comes with literally everything, and even an Allen key to install everything too as well, which is pretty sick. But I'm making this fit my 10, like I said before. Let's go ahead and go back to the video. So what I'm gonna do is just put the washer down first, set the bolt right in the middle, start the threads a little bit so I won't strip anything, and use the Allen key they provide, which is so cool how the kit comes with it, and then just start tightening it down. This is gonna look so clean, and I could already see it coming together just by putting on this one bolt. Just tighten it pretty tight. Oh, that should be good. Oh man, look at that. That goes along with that right there. So good. Don't mind the dirtiness. It just rained here in California, but yeah, just check that out. Man, it looks so clean. Alright, now let's get the rolling on all these ones right here. Man, that's just looking better and better. Look at that. Got that nice fancy bolt right there, and back there, and all those back there too as well. Alright, now let's get the stepping on doing these ones. Now time just to time lapse that one there, that one back there, and that one. Let's go get this done now. Alright, check this out guys. I pretty much got almost everything all tightened up here. I got all these ones on here. I'm kind of glad I got the Evo 7, 8, and 9 one, because it comes with way extra than what I need. Because on the older Evos, like this thing's not here, so all these would have been screws pretty much, like on the older Evos. Like on the newer car, on the 10, it comes with like this clip here, like all kinds of clips here. So what I was able to do is pretty much put one here, and all the spark plugs, which is pretty cool since it's like black and purple right there. Looks super clean, and it's just starting to look really nice. And also I was able to put one here, and also look at up here too as well. It looks super legitness. And right now I'm in the process of putting on this one here for the power steering. I already got it loosened up. I just need to take them off and pretty much just throw on the purple ones, which is coming together really nicely. I kind of really like the way it looks. So these are pretty big. These are 14 millimeters, and the washer and everything's just way bigger, and it looks way cleaner since it's bigger. It looks more like beefier too as well. The only thing is it didn't come with the Allen key for the bigger ones, which is not bad. I have Allen set, so I just got my own Allen keys, and the other one's in this one right here. I'm pretty much almost done with it. I'm guessing the rest of these ones are going to be for right here on the hood, and that's going to be next. That's going to be a little harder because I don't want the hood moving or anything either, since that is like a body line adjustment thing, and I don't want to mess with that. So I'm gonna do one at a time with those two, since I'm kind of scared to mess with the body line. Alright guys, so I'm all finished up here. I'm sorry I didn't like record all the other little things. I just got too into it on making sure I wanted to finish it before the sun went down, but it looks like I got enough time here. And I am just amazed on how good everything came out. Like, just look how nice it looks too as well. Like, I just need to clean up the engine bay. I'm gonna take it to work and pressure wash it and degrease it. But look, check this out here. I got bolts up there, bolts all right there, everywhere. Like, now I know why they have Bolt Boys on their packaging, because it looks pretty sick, man. Like, I have bolts everywhere. Looks super clean. Check this out. It was well worth it. Even in there, all right there, right here too as well. And check this out. Attention to detail. We got it right here too. That you take this engine cover off. Even got them right there on the coil packs. Comment down below where you think I should put them. I don't know if I should just have them covered right there or leave the cap off, or I was thinking of taking all those off and putting them right here, because I'm able to put 3 more right here. There's 1, 2, 3 of them, and then obviously I don't know what to do with the other one, but I don't know, that might be overkill to put all right there, but I don't know, I still like it. Like, in my mind, I know that those are in there and they look really sick. Let's put this back on. Alright, but it just looks super clean. So everything that Downstar has is just really nice. Like the shirt, I put it on, it feels really good too as well. Man, I'm just so glad I chose Downstar for all this stuff right here. The car looks really, really clean. I can't believe, like, I didn't think purple and red was gonna look too good. I think it doesn't look too bad. I know some of you guys might say like it don't go well, but purple's my favorite color, red's my favorite color, and it's my car. Let me go ahead and try like to do a little edit for you guys. I'm not that great at it, so I'm probably gonna end this video with this edit. It's gonna be horrible.
Squad shit. On the water squad. Your dirty moment camel. All can ninjas go ramble, 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 ramble.
Alright, and I'm just gonna show you pretty much all the other bolts that came off the Evo. This is all non-Downstar stuff, so this is all OEM junk. And also just a merch check. I got this shirt too as well, Downstar. I'm guessing 09, since they're probably established in 09, not too sure. And then it says "been down" down here, and then right here, that's pretty cool, like little smiley face thing. Alright guys, and that's a wrap for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are looking to purchase some stuff for your Evo, like some Downstar bolts, I suggest you check the description down below if you guys want to purchase some. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, leave a thumbs up. If you guys like the Downstar bolts on the Evo, leave a thumbs up as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, guys. Peace out.
Y'all some plain niggas, we insane, nigga. All I see is signs in the fucking crowd. I brought all my homies, who gon' stop us now?